Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Good morning guys! So it's my birthday. Ayan, medyo puyat pa ako. Ayan, may mga glue pa. So ayan, gumagawa na ako ng aking handa. Ayan, meron tayo dito mango tapioca. Ayan, so while watching Miss Universe. Ayan guys, so ayan, dyan nag-set up na ako. Konti lang naman, hindi mo lang bisita. So, then nilutuin ko yung spaghetti, pancit, Shanghai, chun manok, ayan, caldereta. Then, eto mango tapioca for dessert. So, ayun lang. Simpleng birthday lang naman.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayan guys. So, meron tayong barbecue. Ayan. So, dito ko na lang siya niluto sa aking electric grill. Ayan. So, yun lang. So, ito na yung pinakapampinali ng aking handa. Ito talagang dapat lagyan to ng tubig kahit wala kang niluto kasi kung init din talaga to eh. Iwalay kasi yung parang ano nila. Yung parang saksakan nila. Ano yan? Pag bumili ka pa.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi guys! It's my birthday! Yan, so, it's my 32nd birthday guys. So, I will celebrate with you guys. Ayan, so ito ang aking mga nakayanang handa. So, thank you kay Mami Steve sa mga nag-sponsor. Ayan, syempre. Sa aking cake na gumawa ay si YNY Cravings, si Melody Basa, ayan. Sa pizza, yes, sa aking kapatid na si Ariel, ayan. Mahal na lechon manok, ayan. And kay Best Deng, ito, thank you so much sa sa masarap na karamiya ube cake. Ayan, thank you so much, Best Deng. Ayan, hindi talaga nawawalan ng mga pasabog sa akin, grabe ba, ayan. So, ayun, quarantine birthday, so nandito lang tayo sa loob ng bahay. So, konti lang aking mga bisita, kapatid and friends lang. So, ayan, kakain na kami. So, thank you so much sa lahat. So, yan na yung mga handa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday
Grabe, pawis na pawis ako. Grabe, sobrang pagod na pagod ako. Pero worth it naman lahat kasi, ayan, syempre. O, di ba? Ang ganda ang bongga. So, yan. So, maganda yung pag-paint ko sa, lumiwanag siya. Ayan, so ito yung mga bisita ko. Si Leia. Aming poging-poging kapatid. Ayan. Ay, tumingin ka naman. Ayan, so, yun na. At syempre, si Mahal. Ayan. And si Jopol. Ayan, mga mahiyain. So, ayan, so kami lang. So, hindi naman ako masyado nag-invite ng masyadong madami kasi bawal nga ayun, online, ano na lang, handa, online inuman.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ayan guys, so magbo-blow na ako ng aking mga cake. Yes, mga.
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to me! Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to
Okay,
you.
let's blow the candles!
To you.
Let's blow!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. 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 Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
And so,
Happy birthday.
salamat sa lahat ng mga naging part ito aking Mami Steve, thank you so much. Thank you so much sa lahat. Ayan, and then, ayun, so, syempre, sa lahat ng mga nag-sponsor. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
So, yun lang. Wish ko sana matapos na yung mga nangyayaring mga masama, lalo yung COVID, sana mawala na. And, love lang sa lahat. Ayun. Thank you so much. Always subscribe on my YouTube channel and watch all my video. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday,